So we are here at Raytec Manufacturing, and Glenn Zimmerman, if you would want to come in, and Marty Clemmer as well. Marty Clemmer is the solar consultant and has worked with Glenn, I guess over 2 projects, I understand. And so Marty, I'll let you ask Glenn a few questions.
Glenn, it was really terrific in working with you here at this solar system. A couple of questions for you. Why did you consider doing solar here at your business, and how has it impacted your business?
Well, I want to say first off, it was a very big pleasure working with Paradise Energy. Prior to doing our first install the other year, we hadn't really paid attention to solar, and Marty did a very good job stepping us through the process and explaining the benefits of solar and showing us on paper just exactly how it can impact our bottom line. And it was something we didn't really think about, this natural God-given resource that we have that we can put to use and put to work for our business every day. And we evaluated the solar and could immediately see the benefits and the long-term impacts that it would have on our business, in the fact that we're able to produce through solar 100% of our electric consumption at both of our manufacturing plants. And it was very interesting to look at the monthly and the quarterly and the yearly charts to see that actually taking place and happening. You know, what has it done for Raytec? Raytec always tries to look at how can we be more efficient, how can we make wise investments that are going to pay back in the long run. And this solar project, both solar projects, was clearly a win-win.
Hey, Glenn, are you ready to flip the switch?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, flip that switch! In many ways, this celebration of 1,000 installs is as much about our customers as it is about Paradise Energy. And so we want to say thank you to each one of our customers for making this company what it is today.